The brush spring applies tension to the motor brush, holding it firmly against the commutator. If the tool is overloaded, the brush spring can overheat. When this occurs, the spring will no longer apply tension to the brush. Replacing the brush spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. The brush spring is connected to the brush holder. I'll start by removing the brush. I'll remove the brush wire lead and pull the spring away from the brush. Then I'll remove the brush from the holder. Now I'll disconnect the motor wire from the brush holder. The holder is secured to the housing with a screw, and I'll remove it next. Now I can remove the entire holder away from the housing. With the holder removed, I can remove the spring. Now I can install the new spring. I'll slide it over the post and tension the spring, and again set it aside on the side of the brush holder. Now I'll reinstall the holder back to the housing. And secure it with the screw. Reconnect the motor wire and install the brush. And I'll repeat this on the opposite side if the other spring needs to be replaced. I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear motor housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new brush spring in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.